Avidus UPS power supply for any 12 volts devices, rated at 1.5 amperes. This model is S36, with a battery capacity of 3600 mAh. The advertised duration when used is 7 to 9 hours. The AC line length is 3 meters, while the DC line is 0.3 meters. Check the description below for other models. On standby mode, when plugged in, it measures 12.19 volts. When in supply mode, it measures 11.87 volts. Using my dual-band Asus router, the actual runtime with 6 devices connected is about 2.5 hours. If your device use less power, you will have a longer usage. You may opt to upgrade battery capacity to increase runtime of UPS. I will show you on how to replace the UPS battery on my next video. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and hit subscribe button.